Hey guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best LEGO sets for adults. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the LEGO sets in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best LEGO sets for adults on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the LEGO Art the Beatles building kit. This cool 4-in-1 LEGO includes nearly 3,000 1x1 round tiles to create a mosaic based on portraits of John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison, and Ringo Starr that were taken for the Beatles' White Album. The set comes with some LEGO Technic bricks to build the base, plus additional pieces for the frame. When you're done, you can even attach the mosaic to the wall. The kit even comes with a downloadable soundtrack to play while you build. If you're not a fan of the Beatles, don't fret. LEGO sells a bunch of different mosaics, from Iron Man, Andy Warhol's Marilyn Monroe pop art portrait, or even a Mickey Mouse mosaic for Disney fans and collectors. Number 9. LEGO Flower Bouquet Building Kit. Flowers look and smell nice, and they are fun to give and receive, but they are born to die. This beautiful LEGO flower bouquet will last as long as you can keep all of its 756 pieces. The arrangement was inspired by roses, snapdragons, poppies, asters, daisies, and grass. You'll create 15 stems in total, and the flowers are sturdy and strong enough to freely stand in a vase. Coming at number 8, LEGO Bonsai Tree Building Kit. Typically priced under $50, the LEGO Bonsai Tree is one of the more affordable and unique sets you can buy. Despite being made from tiny plastic LEGO pieces, the bonsai somehow manages to look serene and beautiful. The tree pairs with a planter, and you'll even construct a bamboo stand for it all to sit on. The best part about this kit is it includes pink cherry blossoms you can swap out for the green leaves. Coming at number 7, LEGO Creator Expert Assembly Square Building Kit. The Assembly Square is one of LEGO's many modular build sets that were created in response to feedback from the adult fans of the LEGO community. Typically, each year LEGO releases a new set, and conveniently enough, all of them can be joined together to construct a large neighborhood or LEGO city if you go all out like this guy. LEGO has been creating these modular build sets since 2007, so there is plenty to collect. As for this one, it features a ground-level bakery, a florist, a cafe, a dance studio, and a gorgeous fountain. This highly detailed LEGO set for adults is made from 4,000 pieces. Number 6. LEGO Architecture Taj Mahal Building Kit. The Taj Mahal, a mausoleum built under Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, is one of the world's greatest memorials. And now you can recreate the marble-clad marvel in your own home. Well, an extremely scaled-down version of it. It's one of LEGO's most iconic and elegant-looking builds, and the model measures 9 inches wide. The kit includes 2,022 pieces, and if you're feeling ambitious, you can complete the build in a day, but we recommend taking your time. There are even historical remarks in the instructions, which are a really nice touch. Whether you're into architecture or are just a fan of travel and history, we can't recommend this gorgeous LEGO set for adults enough. Coming in at number 5, LEGO Haunted House Building Kit. This 3,231-piece set is the first in LEGO's new Fairground collection that's explicitly designed for adult builders to inspire them to refocus and get creative. The extremely detailed build stands over 25 inches tall and packs plenty of spooky surprises. The model, which LEGO calls Manor von Baron, features a fully functioning free-fall ride, a glowing portrait, and dozens of haunted ancient relics. If you want to take a deeper dive and see what lies beneath this mystery-filled mansion, you should check out the video hosted by its LEGO designers. Coming at number 4, LEGO Star Wars, A New Hope Imperial Star Destroyer Building Kit. Whether you're a die-hard Star Wars fan or you have no idea who Obi-Wan Kenobi is, we promise you'll be blown away by this build. It's actually one of LEGO's largest, featuring a whopping 4,784 total pieces. It's definitely a time commitment, and requires several hours to build. The Imperial Star Destroyer model includes a display stand, 2 Imperial minifigures, and features swiveling guns, a tilting radar dish, and enormous engine exhausts. The build is 43 inches long and more than 17 inches tall, so definitely make sure you have a big table to construct it on. Number 3. LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Castle Building Kit. If you're still waiting for your Hogwarts letter to arrive, boy, do we have the LEGO set for you. This highly detailed collectible includes more than 6,000 pieces, allowing you to create the Whomping Willow, Great Hall, Chamber of Secrets, Hagrid's hut, and more. It's truly magical. The kit even includes 4 minifigures. Surprisingly enough, it's not Harry and the gang but rather the 4 founders of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. When completed, the castle measures more than 22 inches in height, 27 inches wide, and 16 inches deep. Coming at number 2. LEGO Nintendo Entertainment System Building Kit. LEGO and Nintendo teamed up to create this iconic 2,646-piece set that assembles into the NES console. Gamers can even build an 80 seconds looking TV set and a game cartridge that fits into the console. It even includes a controller with a connecting cable and plug. Our part about this build is its scrolling screen that lets builders recreate level 1-to-1 on Super Mario Bros. Arguably the best video game of all time. This set is perfect for gamers and LEGO fans alike. Number 1. LEGO creator expert James Bond Aston Martin Building Kit. Aston Martin's iconic DB5 is no stranger to the ever-popular Bond film franchise. The getaway car was first featured back in '64 in Goldfinger, but it's made several cameos since then, from GoldenEye to Tomorrow Never Dies, Casino Royale, and even 2012 Second Skyfall, starring Daniel Craig. Now, you can build a 1:8 scale model of your own. This build features a working ejector seat, revolving number plates, a hidden phone, front wing machine guns, and of course, it's painted in silver birch just like the original. The model is about a foot long, and it's made of nearly 1,300 pieces. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best LEGO sets for adults. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.